Hi, I'm Joe Franey. I'm an industrial mechanic or Millwright here at Standard Machine. So here we focus on the disassembly and assembly of industrial power transmissions. So that goes from customer sending it in to us bringing it in the building, starting the disassembly process, assessment. Then it goes through engineering, QA, measurements, any repairs that need to be done. Then it comes back to us in the mechanics area and we put the gearbox back together. Test run, send it back out. Our industry focuses mainly on potash, oil and gas, like the big industries, coal as well. Millwright is an industrial mechanic, so kind of like an automotive technician would take apart like a transmission. Our transmissions go from anywhere between 1,000 pounds to well over 100,000 pounds. For us, we start our day at 7 a.m. We have a team meeting, so we go through what jobs are in process at the moment, where we kind of want to get to, and then it's just get to work. It was a long road after high school. I went out to BC, play rugby, and I came back with no real career in mind. And a family friend told me to look into the industrial trades, and I put a resume out to Standard, and that's how I really started. I initially started off in crate building, and then I went to paint and blast, which is under mechanics, and then from there I got indentured into the mechanics area, and I got my journeyman this last April. I do like my job. The opportunities for learning and advancing yourself is pretty much endless. What we do here at Standard Machine with the power transmission repairs is really just the tip of an iceberg. The trade is vast, so you can go anywhere and do anything. We recently just got done a shutdown for Dow Chemical, and it was a 12-day turnaround on one of their main production gearboxes, and it was a 24-hour, 10-day shutdown. So we had a crew of 6 guys, 3 on days, 3 on nights, to bring the gearbox in, fully disassemble, replace what needed to be replaced, put it back together, and get it back to the customer. And I believe we accomplished it in 10 days, which was very rewarding. One unexpected mishap, well, there's a piece that's damaged that we weren't aware of, and that timeline's out the window. It was fortunate that everything was as it should have been when it came in, and that we only had to do the in-scope work that we were aware of. Put the effort in now. It's a lot easier to pick that. Like math and physics, for example, were 2 areas that I did very poorly in high school, and the millwright trade is math and physics dominated. It wasn't hard to learn, it wasn't difficult to learn as an adult, but it would have been a lot easier if you would have started and had the fundamentals down in high school. If you're hands-on or have any kind of desire to know how things work, this would be a good trade for you.